Okay, you can cut it now. Snip it like right there. Like towards the bottom.
That's the one that's to display. It's hard to...
You only supposed to cut a little hole, you retard.
Yeah. Oh snap. Oh snap. Hold on. Oh snap. Holy shit. Hey, you should try shit. Oh snap. It's gonna go, oh, it's going away.
Okay.
Your turn. I wish I could sing a whole song like that, but it only gives you a few seconds. Have to go out there like that, start talking to your mom. You're like, yeah, it's a cool picture. Alright, here it goes.
Hold on, I gotta think of what I'm gonna say.
See, I wish I would have thought that, but I thought that it was gonna last longer. I should have conserved the air. Suck that shit.
It's a small world, Azure. What? This is Halloween, this is Halloween. Maddie, what's wrong?
Oh my god. Okay, that died fast. Alright, hold on.
My name is Keishla and I love Julian. And, and that's just me.
I'll do another one. Because now I know. Like, behind me.
I think it's tied to the bed. Hold on, get one over there. We can have like a whole conversation. I lost a tooth and I married a whore. Yeah, she's a nice lady. Huh?
What should I say this time?
There.
I lost a tooth and I married a whore.
And I'll say, she's a nice lady. Your language is offensive.
I lost a tooth.
Yeah. You gotta say it like you look like you're trying to be mad.
I lost a tooth.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I lost a tooth and I married a whore.
I say she's a nice lady.
She's a nice lady.
No, it's too late. Too late. I was gonna say one other thing, but yeah, then my work. Your turn, baby.
Okay.
This is awesome.
Hold
I can get high off this shit. Watch. Yeah, I'll put this on Facebook. No, you know what? Let's do it at the same time.
How are we gonna record it?
Like this.
Okay. Use that to like see.
Oh.
Nay. What should we say?
I don't know. I know what I'm gonna say.
What are you gonna say?
That I was Julian. I love Keishla. Happy birthday. Look, now I just spoiled it for you guys. Oh. Okay, this one.
What? Oh. You have to hold it. You have to remember that, okay?
Oh yeah.
Because you keep forgetting. Okay, move.
Okay. One, two,
My name is Julian.
Hi, Julian.
Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you.
I love you very, very much.
I love you too. I love Nanny. I love everybody. It's my birthday.
I love you so much, baby. Can you please give me a kiss?
Yes.
Do it. Yeah, for all the haters out there. This is King Julian. King Julian.
Oh my god. Okay, that's enough.